Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly use the Smith machine at Planet Fitness, specifically for a shoulder press. Start by adjusting an inclined bench to a 90-degree angle and positioning yourself beneath the bar. Your face should be about 6 inches from the bar for proper range of motion. Sit with your back straight against the bench for stability. So make sure you follow this person here on what he's doing, 6 inches from the bar, and sitting with your back straight against the bench. Grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than your shoulder width, keeping your elbows slightly forward rather than flared out. Tilt the bar backward to unlock it. Then, lower it to your upper chest, allowing your elbows to bend naturally. Press the bar upward until your arms are fully extended. Then pause briefly to engage your shoulder muscles before slowly lowering it back to your chest. Repeat for your desired reps, maintaining control throughout the movement. And basically that's it.